Now that your settings are in place, let's open the myViewBoard app and finish setting it up for your classroom. If you're signing in for the first time, you'll start in guest mode by default. Tap the avatar icon to open the account panel. To access all features and your preset preferences and configurations, like we covered in the other Playlist 1 videos, tap the Sign In button to continue. Let's review the different sign-in methods. Starting with email login. Enter your email and password, then check Stay Signed In for a smoother experience. Tap Sign In to continue. You can also sign in with a third-party account. Click the Google icon to get started. This method opens your browser so you can choose and connect your account. Choose your ViewSonic linked email, then confirm access. You'll see a message in your browser once sign-in is complete. Return to the app to continue. You can also use the companion app to sign in. Just make sure you're already signed in to your ViewSonic account in the companion app. Then scan the code for instant access. You can learn more about the companion app in the video description. Back in the app, you'll now see your profile in the bottom right and a message that you'll stay signed in for 3 months. Tap your avatar to open the account and settings menu. This opens a quick access panel for layout, settings, and notifications. Tap Theme and Layout. Let's start by adjusting the look and feel of your canvas. Choose your theme, light or dark. Pick the light theme for a bright whiteboard look, or switch to dark mode for low light teaching. Choose your toolbar position. Try placing your toolbar on the bottom, top, left, or right. Choose what feels most natural for your teaching. Let's move on to more advanced settings. Tap your avatar again to reopen the menu. Now we'll explore preferences and classroom setup. Tap Settings from the menu. This opens the full settings window. Starting in the Preferences tab, set your app language. At the top of the Preferences tab, you can change the language of the interface. Choose the language that works best for your classroom. Set your default text style and font size. Pick a font that matches your teaching style and a size your students can read easily. Select your preferred unit of measurement. Choose between centimeters and inches, depending on your lesson needs. Adjust handwriting recognizer settings. Choose how the app processes handwritten input. Using the recognizer that works best for you, tap the System Config tab. This tab controls how the app behaves. When you start teaching or writing, choose your default mode, Prepare or Present. Prepare mode gives you editing freedom. Present mode keeps the canvas clean for class. Turn Palm Eraser on or off. Palm Eraser lets you erase with your palm or the side of your hand. Turn it off for stylus-only control. Tap the About tab. Here you'll find your app version, device info, and a quick way to check for updates. Tap the X to close the settings panel. Your preferences are saved automatically. Tap Notification from the avatar menu. This is where you'll see alerts for throw, pop quiz results, and system messages. You can filter by category, clear old alerts, or mute notification sounds with the icons at the top. Tap What's New to see recent updates. This menu shows the latest features, fixes, and improvements. You'll see a summary whenever the app is updated. Tap Help Center for extra support. If you ever get stuck, the Help Center links you to tutorials, support articles, contact options, and more. You're signed in and everything's set. From your toolbar layout to pen settings. Now you're ready to teach with a canvas that works the way you do. Watch the next video to learn how to use the pen tool for drawing, annotating, and interacting with your lesson content.